involves theta. Now this theta is not, the key is not in degrees. It's not degrees. This theta is radians. So make sure when you're talking about, remember how to convert. If you have 50 degrees, if theta is 50 degrees, how do you convert that to radians? Don't forget, remember, 2 pi radians equals 360 degrees, or pi radians equals 180 degrees. Remember that? So we take this, multiply it by pi, divided by 180 degrees, and now we'll convert that, that was many radians. So when you do the formula, make sure that the theta is in radians, not degrees. It will not work in degrees. So if you have any questions, simply email me, and good luck. Talk with you later.